I'm Johnny. I'm the Clinical Director of ISADD, and I'm also a board-certified behavior analyst. At ISADD, we provide intervention service for individuals with special needs. The hardest thing to start is always to get our foot in the door. So this internship will allow graduates from Aventis to gain actual experience, to be part of our therapy team, to work with our actual client, real clients, be it at their home, at their school, whatever environment they're in. So we're taking you out of the school and into the actual workforce, the real world. There is a huge demand for special needs educators, therapists, any manpower. If you look at the public sector or the school, there is a long waiting list for learners. If you look at the private sector, likewise, there's always a waiting list or there's always a shortage of manpower. So yeah, we are at a good time to enter this field. When the term special needs education, sometimes we kind of lose the essence of that. We often focus on education. I think the key here is to focus on the special needs, because every learner is different. And general education, we kind of have one system and kind of apply it across the board. But special needs education needs to recognize that each learner learns differently. And I think a good program or a good therapist, a good educator should be able to identify this and teach differently.